Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to delete Instagram accounts or permanently delete your Instagram account. If you want to delete your Instagram or delete your Instagram account permanently, so let's see how to do that. First of all, go to your Instagram app. After that, sign in and log in your Instagram account. After that, you can see Instagram profile picture, click on it. In this step I can easily delete Instagram account or delete Instagram account permanently. So let's see. After that, right top corner 3 button option, click on it. You can see account center, so choose and open account center, click here. Scroll down, password and security personal details, so choose and open personal details. After that, choose and open account ownership and control, click on it. Account ownership and control, you can see deactivation or deletion, temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your accounts and profiles, so click here. After that, choose and open and then click here. Deactivating or deleting your Instagram account. After, you can see deactivate account, deactivating your account is temporary. After that option, delete account, deleting your account is permanent. So in this you can choose this option, delete account. After that, in this here, click on it. You can see in this I can choose delete account, deleting your account is permanent. After that, choose continue, click here. Deleting your Instagram account. After, you can see many reason. In this you can choose your own reason. After that, I can choose last reason, something else, and in this here, click on it. After that, choose continue. After that, scroll down. After that, I can choose continue, click on it. Confirm permanent account deletion, and in this way you can easily delete your Instagram account or permanently delete your Instagram account. After, you can see delete account, click on it. After that, in this time I can show second process, how to delete Instagram account or delete Instagram account permanently from Facebook. So let's see. So first of all, go to your Facebook app. After that, choose and open Facebook. In this I can see my Facebook account, and in this I can easily delete Instagram account or permanently delete Instagram account from my Facebook. After that, right top corner 3 button option, click on it. Scroll down, you can see settings and privacy, click on it. After that, choose and open settings. You can see more in account center, click here. Scroll down, personal details, open it. After that, choose and open account ownership and control. You can see deactivation or deletion, temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account and profiles, click on it. Deactivation or deletion. After, you can see my Facebook account and then my Instagram account, and in this I can easily delete Instagram account. So let's see. After that, Instagram account, click on it. After that, choose delete account, deleting your account is permanent, and then click on it. After that, choose continue. Deleting your Instagram account, deleting your Instagram account will also delete your associate threads profiles that will be deleted. After that, choose continue. Deleting your Instagram account, and in this I can choose something else option. After that, choose continue. Choose continue, click here. You can see confirm permanent account deletion. After, you can see two options, delete account or cancel. In this you can choose delete account, click here, and in this way you can easily delete Instagram account or permanently delete Instagram account or delete Instagram account permanently. So thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel.